All right, YouTube, what does it do? What it do? Nate back with Mississippi Wrenches. So I was at work and came across something pretty interesting. I got a Maxima that went off road, and so we had to replace the pipe up underneath it. So I'm gonna show y'all what a Maxima sounds with the rear mufflers off. Sounds pretty good. So that's the new mufflers going on there, but right now I ain't got no mufflers on it. It's just a straight pipe. Well, it's a straight pipe with a little resonator on it. Let's see if I can get it to crank up here. My luck, while I got the camera running, it'll probably try to be dead. Okay, there we go. Sounds pretty good. Sounds real good. Show you the setup here. Well, it really ain't no setup. What you do is take those off. Turn down. Show y'all a little bit something. That's it. See, I'm talking about this thing. That sounds good. It's idle. Deep rumble. That's what amazes me. Deep little rumble.